Work-life balance, job satisfaction, and better pay are some of the reasons why people are quitting their jobs, aka the Great Resignation. People are finding better ways to make money and live more satisfying lives. And a lot of it is due to creating online businesses. Now, there are so many different routes that you can take, but the most important thing is focusing on one thing and going all in on it. That's why today I want to go over some of the different online businesses that you could start. Print on demand, or POD, is probably one of the easiest ones on the list and least costly to start up. Now, this is a fulfillment business model where items are printed as soon as an order is made. And the best part is you don't have to hold any inventory and you don't have huge startup costs. Now, the simplest way to start print on demand would be by using Etsy as your storefront and Printful as your fulfillment center. And I know this might sound complicated, but it's very easy to set up once you create those accounts. The next thing that's missing would be your designs, and you don't have to worry about it. You don't have to be a graphic designer, and you don't need expensive software. Canva is one of the best places to start making your designs, and it would be very easy to learn. Now, personally, I would focus on text-based designs, so you can either change the fonts, change the words, and just be a little bit more creative. And if you're stuck on designs, I would focus on holiday themes. So for example, since Halloween is right around the corner, you can start making some Halloween themed designs. Now, dropshipping, like print on demand, has fulfillment centers that are in charge of sending out items. So the only difference is that the items are already made. And the simplest way to start would be by using Shopify as your storefront and TikTok as your advertising platform. Now, if you're tight on money, please don't start spending money on advertising from the get-go. Instead, just focus on organic reach. And this would involve making user-generated content, which is basically making your own videos to show off the product that you're trying to sell. And I'm sure you've seen some crazy results, people saying how easy it is, but the truth is that it takes time and it takes consistency. Now, YouTube automation is a whole different model, as you aren't trying to sell anything, and instead you're relying on Google AdSense as your revenue. And although in the future you can try to sell and promote products, that's not the main focus right now. And the main goal for YouTube automation would be to create a faceless channel, preferably in a high CPM niche. So this way advertisers spend more money, thus giving you a higher revenue. Now, the cheapest way to start would be by creating your own videos, which would include making your scripts, voice recording, and video editing. But this does require some skill to make the video entertaining, but there are softwares out there that do help you speed up the process, such as by using Pictory. Now, affiliate marketing is basically promotion, and it's like a commission-based job where when you sell something, you get a portion of the profit. And this is also another easy business model to start, but so many people are doing it wrong. They find a product to promote, and then they spam their affiliate links in Facebook groups, in comment sections, and expect to make a sale. The right way would be to promote something that you believe in, promote something that you use, and make content around it. And this could involve courses, guides, software. For example, I use Canva Pro, so I left an affiliate link in the description if anyone wants to try out the paid version. Digital marketing, like the name suggests, is marketing digitally, advertising online. And this would include Facebook ads, Google ads, TikTok ads, email marketing. You get the point. And the goal with digital marketing is to find clients that want to sell a product, and then you help them out with advertising. But in this field, you're the expert. So unlike the rest on this list, it's not as easy to start. Digital marketing does get a bad rap though, because there are so many so-called digital marketing agencies that have no idea what they're doing and just spending thousands of dollars of their clients' money and never getting results. That's why with this business model, the moral way to do it is to make sure you've had some experience, had some results with digital marketing before trying to sell your services. And the way to build trust would be by offering your services for free first, and then paying based on performance. This way, everybody's making money. I know I didn't go into huge detail with these business models because there's so much more to cover. So if you're interested in any of them, please let me know in the comments below on what to cover next. And if you found this video useful, I'd appreciate it if you subscribe and hit the bell notification for more content like this. Until next time, bye.